Hello children. In the previous sessions we discussed about Indian number system, international number system, and we compared Indian number system and international number system, and also we did few examples that which was related to our textbook. And also in the last class we discussed especially on the international number system examples. So by understanding those concepts very well, now the second concept of these large numbers is to comparison of numbers. Today we are going to discuss about the comparison of numbers. So comparison of numbers. So what does this topic mean? Comparison of numbers means what? So you already know very well. Means numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. We have different types of numbers. But how to compare those numbers? How to compare those numbers? So comparison, when we'll get a comparison? Comparison is nothing but identifying in a group of numbers which is large, which is small, or are they equal? So this is the cases that we learned in comparison of numbers. Let me see about this topic. When to compare? So while we are going to the comparison topic, you will get a great idea to when to compare the numbers. Comparing will happen when we have two or more objects, numbers, etc. So this is the simple answer. Comparing will happen when we have two or more objects. At least two objects we need. So if you are having two objects or two numbers or any two things, then we can easily compare. Now see one example here. Here we are comparing the general examples of taking a rectangular bar of some length, means 6 centimeters, and taking another rectangular bar of 3 centimeters. Now analyze these two bars in your mind, then what you will get? Right, you will get one is large, one is small. So what is the question that I am going to ask? Which is long? Which is long? Obviously your answer is 6 centimeters bar is long. So this is visualization. We can easily say which one is big. Next, coming to another example, having some smiley faces there. Now count and write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many faces are there? 5 faces are there. Next, we go for another example of the same smiley faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now how many? There are 7 faces. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 faces are there. So this is the answer of 7. See, 5 and 7. These are two numbers. 5 and 7 are two numbers. So now we can easily compare with the help of the maths. Which group is small? So we have two groups here, one group and second group. Now my question is, which group is small? The group having 5 smiley faces is small. 5 smiles. Now what is comparison in maths? We've taken some general examples, but coming into a topic maths, how it is the comparison of numbers? Well, we compare the numbers. In math, to compare means to examine the differences between numbers, quantities or values to decide if it is greater than, smaller than or equal to another quantity. So as I said earlier, we need two quantities or at least two groups to compare. So in maths, we will compare to identify which group is greater, which group is smaller, are they equal? That is the thing of comparison in numbers. Few examples by taking the maths. Now we are taking two boxes, two groups of boxes here, and identify the number of boxes in first bar and the number of boxes in second bar. Now let me start counting the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the first box contains 5. Second bar 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4, And how to represent that? 5 is greater than 4. We will use the word in mathematics greater than. We will use the word in mathematics greater than. 5 is greater than 4. Next, taking another group, 1, again count the same manner, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes. Now, how to write this? 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5 because 3 boxes here. Here in this object 5 boxes. So 3 is less than 5. Taking one more group and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes. Now what you will write? You will write 5 is same as 5. 5 is same as 5 or 5 is equals 5. Both are same. So hence we will use the word equal or same. These are the examples that teacher. Next concept. In maths, how to compare symbols. Comparison symbols in maths here. Greater than, we will use that symbol. Less than, we will use this symbol. Equal to, we use this symbol. See, for greater than and less than, these two are looks like V shape. So if we flip it in both the right directions, it will get greater than or less than. So we will have some confusion. How to represent these symbols for comparison of values? So now a small task. Say goodbye to your confusion. To remember which way around the greater than or less than or equal signs go is to remember. See, big greater than small means the pointed is always looks to smaller direction. See, this pointer always looks to smaller direction. See, small, big, the pointer looks to smaller direction. So this is greater than smaller, smaller than greater. The small end always points to the smaller number like this. Now see some examples. 5 is greater than 5. 5 is greater than 3. So here 5, 3. Which one is smaller? 3 is smaller. So what is the pointer we should face? This side. So 5 is greater than 3. Let me say some more examples. 4 is less than 10. 4 is less than 10. So 4 is small, so this pointer looks towards 4 smaller than 10. Next, ascending order. In this comparison of numbers, we will understand these two concepts very well. One is ascending order and the next one is descending order. In this, we will discuss about ascending order. Arranging the given numbers from smallest to largest. Arranging the given numbers from smallest to largest means arranging the smallest number to largest number gives ascending order. Ascending order is also known as an increasing order. Examples. Arrange 1, 5, 2, 10 in ascending order. Means, what I said? Ascending order means arranging numbers from smallest to largest. So which is the smallest number in this group? 1, 2, next 5, next 10. Smallest to largest. One more example. Arrange 99, 84, 15, 4, 10 in ascending order. So what is the first smallest number here? 4, next 10, 15, 84, 99. That's it. So take some numbers of your own or with the help of your friends, do some more examples as practice. Next. descending order. What do you mean by descending order? Arranging the given numbers from largest to smallest. So vice versa, that is smallest to largest, here largest to smallest. Some more examples are going to discuss here. Arrange 10, 2, 4 in descending order. Means biggest, first one 10, next biggest 4, next 2. 10 is the biggest, next 4, next 2. Arrange 99, 84, 15, 4, 10 in descending order. In this group, identify these things. 99, 84, 15, next biggest, 10, next biggest, 4. In the next session, we will discuss some examples with rules and rounding of the numbers.